life away.
Tourist takes 1 hour and a half. It's only half mile. Yes. It's a couple of K.
Oh, a couple.
Yes. We provide you with 2 guy hard hats.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
全住俾嗰個擺到 rock 落。
แต่ชอบไปอยู่หมู่ฮอลลูเคฟนะไปอยู่หมู่เคฟทัวร์ไปลุยนะเด้อมันก็จะของเด้อมึงไทยนี่มั้งเชื่อจะมึงไทย
เราไปเจ้าไปเลยพอไปอ่ะ
อ๋อพอไปแล้ว
Thế còn chụp quay future husband. Hey.
Oh, somebody forgot to.
Hold this. Door. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Đường nhau.
Nine, 10.
Thế toàn toàn cho cái mỏ là thích cú biết phải à
Our hotel has no concierge, so just let it go. I think I'd be looking on point.
Thế thế như là cho bên một hao lửa à
Okay, guys, now you can take a seat anywhere you want.
Okay, thank you.
Hello.
khơi bên một khơi như này như một trong mai à
Bé một mái này nó cái này show you a figure. Take bigger.
Why do you put this shirt on?
Pull it out.
How do you put this shit on? Well, I had a piece of hair stuck to it. I didn't get it out.
Is that fit you?
Adjust the back
About what?
Small?
Let me see. Yeah, they're making it too tight.
Ah, this shit's the height?
là cho số tao hậu ra chỉ thay cà phê tao là
That's where we're at.
ya bữa cái con là cho chúng nó được phát tao
Nó tổ cho chúng tao hậu nè, tao hậu lúc chuyển chính mà.
Ashta
Right, speaks and understanding, right?
yes
Okay, so English will be. Welcome one more time. My name is Jonathan. I'm gonna be your guide. And what I have in my hands is some code of conduct and behavior, some guidelines, some rules. Some of them are very simple, but we need to follow them. Okay, we're gonna have a good time, but I want it to be safe first. Okay. And the first little rule will be the hard hats. It should be in our heads from this point on. We're just gonna remove them when we came from the cave. We wanted to put it in the blue bin over there. Okay, it's gonna be empty. So remember, in the trails and of course inside the cave, always the hard hat. Okay, never abandon the group. We're gonna leave as a group, and we're gonna come back as a group. Always behind the guide. In this case, of course, me. Don't go above of me or.
Okay, buddy.
Đúng lớn thế Supervisor, so kena. Mo
Okay, guys, that's not a really good guy. Oh, what? Is that a teacher?
Okay, guys. So right now we are specifically in the Arctic zone of the island, okay, specifically in the northwest platoon, which is a limestone. Okay, we have a lot of them here. And arachnids or spiders. They have. You see any little holes in the trail? Now step on them. That's where the tarantula, Puerto Rican tarantula, live. Black and hairy ones. Okay, and we have actually the cave of the spider of the spider of the cave. The guava, okay? The local people call it like the guava. It's like size of my head, and for you guys to have an idea, it bites you. You can hammer, smash your fingers, something like that. Okay? You have like something like the crabs, it bites you with your teeth. Yeah, okay? So it really hurts. Okay? So inside of the cave, don't do this. Okay? Don't do this. Because they are in the wall. Hide them. So, don't get too close to the wall inside the cave.
这两个去摸啊，
又不是木啊。
哎，我到中间这样的呀。
No，俺那个不拆个不理呢。
有多久？
有那边没混来哟。
等等，
都
等等，
木啊。
中就啊，就摸。
那我不想叫啊，不能。
解释哟。She's cool.
2, 3.
Go 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 go.
Okay. Yeah. That's probably the only thing you want to do. Yeah.
Đợi đàn này ra trái chưa?
Có một cái steak rồi, bạc độc. Phải
Make sure you get your flash off, huh?
Okay, guys, so this platoon, we're standing right now, has more than 35 million years. For the cave, those are swallows, okay? Cave birds. Okay, so the caves are a little bit younger, 4 to 5 million years. Remember, this is a limestone. This is created underwater with accumulations of sediments, okay? This is just the entrance of the first cave, called the clear cave or the light cave. 200 feet long, 50 high, and 50 wide. We have more than 27 petaliths in the 2 caves. Here we have the first 3 of them. First one right here, second one, and third, okay? Those were made by our Aborigines of our Taínos, okay? Of course, they don't have any writing language, so they didn't write any book or any something, so they didn't let us know what they really mean. But some local people think they are like guardians or protectors of the caves, okay? And of course, our Taínos don't leave inside the caves.
Scotcher.
And their houses called police. So the archives, they do leave inside the caves 2,000 years ago. They were like more primitive. Okay. So our Taínos just use the caves for any shelter, because hurricane storms, or for any really religious or spiritual ceremonies. Okay? Nothing else. We know. So this is a brown spot over there in the ceiling. Now right there's a swallow nest, okay? So the swallow goes to the floor, takes the dust, any little feather, any little wood sticks, they mix it with the saliva, see what they make. that little nest over there. Okay, so very peculiar. So here in the island we have 13 species of bats. But in the 2 caves that we're going to be visiting, just 3 of them. Okay, first one is the Artiberos jamaicensis, or the fruit bat. The second one is the Taradidas brasilensis, or the Mexican or Brazilian pigeon bat. Third one, or the last one, the Nautilus leporino, or the fisherman. Why the fisherman? Because it fishes, okay? From the river that we're going to be seeing from the window. Okay? So, any questions on that?
Go ahead.
The Osmos or the Osmos or the
Skylab.
okay.
Yeah. Hey, don't touch the wall.
That's right.
From China.
Okay, guys. So, if you look in the floor, specifically here, okay, you see the giant roots. And they go all the way to the other side of the ceiling, to a highway. That's the name of the tree. It's just 125 years. It is a young tree, okay, but his roots can reach 2,000 feet. And they are here because we have a good soil. 800 years. And remember, our Chinese or our Aborigines don't have any knife or blade or something like that. So they just use a Chinese stone from the river to make this. Okay?
That was made.
Yeah, by our Taínos, our Aborigines. Exactly. Okay? So, follow me this way here. I'm going to be showing you another paragraph.
Nhỏ. Có cái generation đúng không? Một cái caveman đúng không?
Thì nói như cái này nhớ ra à?
Okay, guys, so, no Joe here, right? No Joe? Nobody's name Joe here?
Joe.
Yeah, we got one.
There's one here? Yeah. Right here. Because there's one Joe here.
Ooh, Joe, that's his name.
But this Joe wants to be a Taino, but he isn't a Taino, okay? Because this is a vandalism, this is illegal, and of course this is a graffiti. No petroglyph here, okay? Unfortunately, 5 years ago, when we weren't here, some people came and did this. Okay? But these two right here are real. But I need to say, unfortunately, again, some person came here, put some chalk inside the seaway, so that's why they look more wider. Okay, but that's not the color they're supposed to have. Actually, this is the color they're supposed to have. Okay, or maybe green if they have some plant in top. Okay, but they are real. This one looks like an alien, and a smiley emoji.
Are these real thing or no?
Real.
People do it.
People came in and they
Oh.
Anh ấy evil.
I thought this shit was real. They do it. Go,
go, go, go, go. Очищается. Đúng là hay cười hả? Chân chia sẻ à? Đóng lưỡi cơ. Cá đi chả? Đây sao?
oh shit, it is sticker right here.
Because you fight against the sun. Cái chỗ đó nào?
chỗ to mà.
Ba, chứ đừng có bán thế à?
Okay. Divided is the evidence. The giant stones. We have a lot of more little stones inside this cave too. Okay. So here we're gonna be seeing cockroaches, snakes, spiders. Of course the bats, the guavas, okay, the cave spiders, and some little other animals. We have more than 25 species of animals living inside of this cave. Or they are inoffensive, or they are friendly. Okay. You don't mess with them, they don't mess with you. Okay. So we're gonna start heading down here. Somebody needs help, let me know. Okay, so I'm gonna be the first one, and everybody will see how I'm gonna be heading down. We're gonna repeat the same process. Okay, so when we get down there, one.
Sunshine Bear. Mama.
Once they have the flashlight, and start joining the group down there. Here's like more lower. Here and then.
I got this.
Okay. Saludos a todos, bienvenidos. Welcome guys. You're gonna wait for your guide over there in that corner over there. Remember guys, I'll flash a girl up inside the cave. Recuerden la foto con flash dentro de la cueva.
What'd you do?
And remember not to shine bright light directly to the ceiling. Recuerden lámpara al techo, mantener la linterna abajo y una foto con flash.
No, cái đến chỗ nó. Mama.
That works. That works a lot better.
Mama. One for two. Joe, you and me.
Cái này có bật tủ không?
Có like của mà thay đúng không?
There you go. Gonna move ahead, guys. Put your guys over in that corner. There you go, man.
Mày đùa đi.
you go, guys. Remember, guys, that you gotta keep right legs away from the ceiling and not fly for 12 feet until you reach station number 4.
I got
Okay?
No. Khoai. Bỏ cái trâu á.
Okay, guys, now we're ready. Move right legs over there.
Tôi để họ cho không phải tôi. Oh, sorry, sir. Stay with your group. Giờ thì lúc khi chúng tôi cho bên bridge đó cho cái tơ ra cho tên số cho tên số.
Let's squeeze a little bit right here to make space for them. Okay. Okay, so nobody here fears exactly the darkness, right? So you can turn off your flashlights, okay? Turn them off, turn them off.
Turn off.
Wow.
Okay, so this is how dark bats leave, even the chupacabra. You guys know that? Okay, but he's not here today. So, I'm gonna be using red lights because it doesn't bother bats, okay? So, this black spots right there, everywhere. Okay, those are the bats. That black are huge black spot over there. It's a hollow or a colony. That's how they leave. An alpha male and their females, maybe an alpha male and some single males. Okay, Archiveus, Hamekensis, or the fruit bat. Okay, it's the third biggest bat that we do have in the island. It just lives 9 years and it can just grow from 5 to 6 inches long. It doesn't grow that much. Okay, so they are good pollinators, not just the bees. This is the evidence on living plants all inside the cave, but what will happen if we don't have any sunlight? They will die. Of course, no sunlight, no food for the plants, so they will die. But remember, we still have a good soil, so they will live 6 to 9 months. And then they will just die. So, why are...
Okay, thấy chưa rồi, phải biết chúng nó. Cũng chơi để sử dụng nó này.
Nó tiền đáng xóa.
Wow. Có thấy đúa rồi, nó thấy nhân là có thấy này. Nó còn đây vẫn treo mà.
Okay, so let's record this corner right here. You're going to have plenty of time to take pictures. I'm going to give you the information. Watch with the one over there. Okay, guys. So this is how close we can get to the edge. I'll go down there. That is not rock solid. It is sediment and it can collapse. Okay, so nobody down there. Please. Okay? You can approach that corner over there. Okay, so here we are 700 feet above the sea level. The river, the big river Arecibo, comes from the center of the island, the mountain, and it goes directly to the Arecibo Bay or to the beach. Okay? The little town is the Jaguar, and for you guys to have an idea how our Tainos or Aborigines live close to the river, close to the cave. They have shelter here, and they have water, they have food, they have everything. Okay? So the rope is the 123. You guys took the rope number 10 coming here. That's the old one. So it's the 123 rope. And here is where.
Phải không? Phải.
Hay
Có vui nhỉ? Phải.
Xa xưa.
Xa xưa rồi. Cái bây giờ chúng mới lên bồn bia dùng ra
Chia.
một hộp bè này.
Yep. We need to provide all that.
So, you guys remember the first gate when we came in? The giant roots?
Tự nhiên to ít luôn rồi nào.
So you want to approach the little hole, take some picture, you can do it.
Ồ, cho vào ta.
Is it getting outside the
Cho vào ta nhỏ lúc khe về kiểu roof nữa.
This must be a big cave under there. Nếu chỗ nào có một cave lo thì họ.
Nó thì tụ vào ta biết phải tụ chân tông lò nó là.
En el morro. Okay. Hay uno bien grandote. Okay. Sí, hay muchos de ellos. Tiene la calle flota.